Hey, it is wonderful Wednesday and time for us to go over the weekly language review for Wednesday of quarter 2, week 1. Which word from Monday's list means state of illness? So I'm going to look back at Monday's list and I see contentment, sickness, which makes me think of illness, achievement, sadness, alignment, dictum, verdict, and wilderness. So I'm going to say that the word is sickness, right? Of or relating to being sick, which is just a synonym for ill. Right, the plural noun, the goose flew above our house. It's not gooses flew above our house, it's geese. It's an irregular plural noun. Notice they like to throw a lot of those irregulars in there. This is the blank ride at the amusement park. So I'm comparative, meaning I'm comparing it to maybe one other ride, or I'm superlative, meaning I'm comparing it to all of the other rides at the amusement park. So if it's all of the other rides, I'm going to add EST to the end to create the word tallest. Oops, let me add that T there. This is the tallest ride at the amusement park. No one expected an incident like this to happen. This event has changed everything. What does incident mean? Incident is an event, something that happened. Perhaps you might say even an occurrence. And in this case, it typically is the word incident almost carries with it a negative connotation. And so you might assume that it's kind of a negative event because it does say this event has changed everything. So as we know, tomorrow it's going to ask us to highlight those things that we felt gave away the context clues or the meaning to the word incident. So in this case, we're going to use the word event. Right? This event has changed everything. Instead of using the word incident again, they just use the word event, which basically defined the word for us. Name the type of figurative language. We have imagery, which is to see something and not be told what it is. Onomatopoeia, which are words that when you say the word, you make the sound that the word is defining. And simile, comparing of two unlike things using like or as. Her long, silky brown hair swayed in the wind. So I don't see like or as in there, so it's not a simile. I don't see any kind of noise or sound in there. So this is imagery. And imagery is, again, it's basically you can see in your mind's eye her long, silky brown hair swaying in the wind. It creates a picture or a mental image versus just telling you, yeah, her brown hair was being blown in the wind, was being blown by the wind. It has a different vision, I think. I think of what it looks like when my hair's swaying in the wind. I don't ever think it's swaying as I'm eating my hair because the wind is throwing it in my face. This sounds much more controlled, a very serene environment or atmosphere. Write a hyperbole. I felt the stab of 1,000 knives as my headache set in. Was it really 1,000 knives? No, but it felt really bad. Circle the correct pronoun. Is it subjective or objective? Again, I left this open so that you could see it. Jason came to see we or to see us after school. So Jason came to see we after school. Jason came to see us after school. It is us, which means it's objective. Because you are the object that Jason came to see. Okay? So again, if you're the subject of the sentence, then and you're doing the verb, it's subjective. If you're the object of the sentence and the verb is happening to you, it's objective. Okay, wow, that completes Wednesday. See you tomorrow.